So this workshop for me has been so inspiring, and it's given me direction and purpose. It's solidified the vision I want for myself, for the future.
Go for it. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a roller coaster. You'll love it. You'll laugh. You'll cry. You'll meet yourself in the present, in the future. It's phenomenal. Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah.
So having been around this work for a long time and knowing the Clearmind material, it feels to me like this is like a really big step up for graduates of the Awakening to really find out much more about purpose, focus, clarity and relationships.
I felt safe here, and I only get that at Clearmind. I don't get that anywhere else.
Yeah, anything's possible. Yay! Yeah, anything's possible, Dwayne.
Because I have a goal, and I'm going to achieve all of my ambitions.
Yeah, anything is possible. I think I saw that this weekend with people, like where some of us maybe were stuck and hurting, and how that just profoundly turned around with just really beautiful supportive interventions all weekend.
I mean, my experience is I was blocked and stuck. That's my experience. As far as purpose and direction, lots of other people came here with clear goals that they wanted. I had to find mine out on the workshop, and but it was not difficult. It was really obvious what I needed to do, and I would say if you're lacking direction or purpose, or you're blocked in any way, then this is a brilliant way to reconnect yourself with your direction or your vision.
It's given me 6 concrete, direct steps on how to just stay pointed and focused in that direction. And I feel really excited, really empowered and determined. And it's a workshop that has left me feeling really hopeful.
This workshop has been fantastic for me because I've been able to be myself. I've found out who I am, and I'm ready to go out into the world and tell the world who I am.
This workshop helped me to establish my goal, the goal that I want for myself in the future, which is peace. I've really struggled with chaos and anger, and it's helped me set a clear vision of what peace looks like and how I'm going to get there. It also allowed me to be vulnerable in front of other people.
And just the belief to be able to go and do that in myself, and to not to be scared of how powerful I can be. So instead of just hiding, and it's like you can be powerful and not to be scared of it, to go and do what you can do. Like anything's possible.
If you're thinking of taking this workshop, be prepared to leave fully awake and raring to go.
Just do it. I like the night tick on you. Just do it. Yeah, definitely, because you get so much out of it and you grow so much, don't you, through it, and you're not limited to you.
It felt like the first time ever that I really felt like I was completely safe and completely okay in showing up with people and accompanying them on their journey. It was so profound that I think people owe it to themselves to go on and do it, to take it into their lives, to embody the whole thing about vision and goal state and operating from that place in the heart. Like, just absolutely switched me on, and I just say to people, do it, it's really going to switch you on to life.
Really important. Been really important. Out of all the work I've done, lots of Clearmind workshops, this one has been very gentle, but very, very, very powerful.
This is a pivotal moment in my life, and I'll never look back.
So that anything is possible, yeah.